Hi guys, it's Weedit and I'm here. I wanted to do another pour, mainly just for a little canvas on my desk. So I have Amsterdam Persian Rose. This is my base color that I'll be using. Liquitex Basics in Phthalo Green. Blick Studio Acrylic in, this is Dioxazine Purple. Liquitex Basics in Light Blue Violet. And then, Essentials, I don't have any idea really what this is. Royal Langnickel in Aqua. So I've taken those and I've just mixed them with enough Floetrol to give me a little bit, to make it a little more fluid. And then I added silicone to these three. And I only added enough of the Floetrol to get it the consistency of cream. So my base color is going to be this Persian Rose. This is just going to be a very simple flip cup dirty pour, and as you can see, I pre-mixed. I had a lot of people want me to pre-mix the colors, so I've done that. And now we are going to simply add some of these other colors. These are yogurt cups that I'm just recycling, because why not? There we go. This is probably one of my favorite greens right there. Phthalo green, blue shade. A little more of that purple. I have way more paint than I need for this particular canvas, so I'm planning on kind of dipping stuff in the leftover, the runovers, so I don't waste so much paint. And I like these colors a lot. Let's go with a little more green. I'm not really putting these in any particular order, just the order in which I pick them up. Although I guess I am making sure that it's like, oh no, not really. I can't say that. I've doubled up on some of them. Okay, I want to get all of this green in here. That one aside. And I want to get all this purple too. Okay, that's a good bit of paint for such a small canvas. So this ought to be, I hope, fairly interesting. I've gotten away from doing dirty pours, and now I just want something simple. I'm even reusing a canvas that I had done previously. Let's turn that upside down. Let it sit for a minute so the colors can sort of drop down, do their little thing they're going to do in there. Loosening it. Vacuumed on me. Alright, here we go. And I'm going to let the kind of letting it drip and see if I can get all the paint out. Okay. Tilt that in a minute. Letting it move around a little bit and stretch. I don't know, we'll see. There's no telling what that is going to look like when it dries. And since I did add the silicone oil, I'm going to see if I can, I don't know, because I really wasn't paying a whole lot of attention to what I was doing. Oh, come on. I got some cells to come up. I'm not getting a whole lot. But we did get some cell formation. I'm really kind of fussy about using pink. And honestly, I don't want something that looks like, I'm just going to put some green over in here to break up some of this. I don't know if I can try to get it to drip in. I don't want it to look like something that you would see underneath a magnifying glass, not a magnifying glass, a microscope. For whatever reason, I've been having trouble speaking lately. I kind of like that detail of the squiggles on top. There we go. Breaks up the pink. It was just too pink for me. I'm not a big pink fan. So, nice cells in it. It's got the dribbles. I wonder if I can't seem to leave it alone, can I? After I've torched it, it's not going to move too much. Let me get this little corner. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry, and then I will be back, okay? Hi guys, it's Waited, and I am back with, I'm trying to get the camera to focus. This is what it looks like dry. It's got the really cool little cells in it. Pretty much all over, and I quite frankly love this piece. I'm trying to keep the glare off of it, let the camera focus on it. I love the colors. The little drizzles in it, I actually like. They broke up some of the pink because I'm not too crazy about the pink, and added a little bit of chaos, but it's so nice with all these little areas of interest. So yeah, I'm really totally loving that. I love the color combination. I like the way it worked out, and I may try some more. So thank you so much guys. Bye.